How to check old chats in Snapchat. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, make sure you have stable Wi-Fi connection on your device. If not your Wi-Fi connection, you can switch to a cellular data as well. Then tap on Snapchat. Make sure you're logged into your account. After that, simply tap on your profile at the top left corner of the screen. Then tap on the gear icon and scroll down to the very end, and here under the account actions section, you can see the option of My Data. So tap on My Data, and as you do that, it will land us to a new page where you'll be able to see all the data that are available for you to download and view over here. So you can just select the data that you'd want to download. So we do definitely want to have chat media since we want to see the old chats, the chat history of course, and then tap on Next. Then select the range of the specific data that you would want from, and then tap on your email address over here where you would want to get that data for, and just tap and submit, and then you'll be able to get and check the old chats in Snapchat. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.